If x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Given x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. Consider x plus 1 by x the whole square. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square, a square plus 2b plus b square. X plus 1 by x the whole square, x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus b square 1 by x the whole square. That is x square plus x and cancel 2 plus 1 square 1 x square. That is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. X square plus 1 by x square 14. 14 plus 2 16. That is equal to 4 square. That is x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 4 square. Therefore x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Again consider x plus 1 by x the whole cube. It is of the form a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or a cube plus b cube plus ഇതിന്റെ ടേബിളിൽ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് 3ab ഉണ്ട്, 3ab into a plus b. ഇത് രണ്ടും ഉപയോഗിക്കാം a plus b the whole cube ആയിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ x plus 1 by x the whole cube is equal to ഇത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം x cube plus b cube ന് പകരം 1 by x the whole cube plus 3 into a into x into b ക്ക് പകരം 1 by x into a plus b, x plus 1 by x. That is x plus 1 by x 4 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 4 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 into cube 1 x cube, ഈ x cancel plus 3 into x plus 1 by x 4. നമുക്ക് x cube plus 1 by x ഹോൾ ക്യൂബ് ആണ് കാണുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിവിടെ നിർത്തുക, ബാക്കി ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് കൊണ്ടുവരിക. 4 cube എത്രയാ? 64 minus 3 into 4 12 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Therefore x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 64 minus 12 52.